This is a 60-second battery replacement guide for MacBook Pro 13, 2019. Step 1. Power down, unplug, and prepare a static-free workspace. Wear an ESD wrist strap. Tools list: pentalobe driver, tri-point driver, spudger, tweezers, and replacement battery. Step 2. Remove 5 pentalobe screws and lift the lower case carefully. Step 3. Disconnect the battery connector. Use a plastic spudger to avoid shorts. Remove the tri-point screws securing the battery cells before prying them loose. Lift the old battery out gently, avoiding bending or puncturing the cells. Place the replacement battery in position, align contacts, and secure the cells. Reinstall tri-point screws, then reconnect the battery connector until it clicks securely. Reattach the lower case, reinstall pentalobe screws, and tighten evenly in sequence. Power on and verify battery health and system settings and battery cycle count. Summary: always disconnect power and use ESD protection. Recommended parts and links are in the description.